Welcome to the Garage USA. Thanks for tuning in. This week I will be restoring a Matchbox Superfast Ford Cortina. This is a Lesney Matchbox Superfast made in 1979. It has opening doors. It's got red interior. It's really in rough condition. The paint is pretty screwed up. It's got some corrosion. This actually has 3 posts holding it together. It does have a trailer hitch, and we'll see. I may or may not leave that on there, but yeah, I'll go ahead and drill out these posts and get started. Alright, I'll just use a screwdriver to pop it open. There's the base. And there's the interior. This is really dirty. And then here's the rest of the car. And the glass just pops right out. And that's going to need a good cleaning. And there's the body. And so I'll go ahead and hit this with some, I've got this new stripper called Citrus Strip. It's supposed to be safe for indoor use, and so this time of year I will be switching to restoring the cars in the house rather than doing them out in the garage. So I've got some citrus strip that I'll use to shoot this with and see how it does taking the paint off of here. So I'm going to let that sit for a while, let the citrus strip, work its magic, and then I'll scrape off all the paint and get it ready to prep for a new color. So there is actually quite a bit of pitting and some corrosion on here. I will get this all sanded and then shoot it with some color. I'm thinking I'm going to go with some yellow on this one. It was a light green. Didn't really like that color. I think the yellow is just going to be a lot nicer color on this particular car. For this I will be using Testors Enamel Bug Yellow paint. Alright, and while I wait for that to dry, I'm going to go ahead and work on the interior. Alright, here's the interior. I have washed this with soap and water. It actually looks pretty decent, but I don't like the color red. I don't think it looks very good, and I don't think it'll look good with that yellow paint on the body, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my Model Masters leather paint, and that's going to be the new color of the interior. Alright, now that interior is all done, I painted the hitch on it with the chrome paint because I am leaving the trailer hitch on it. But I think the interior looks pretty nice in that leather color. I have cleaned up the base. I just used a brush and some soap and water to clean it up. I'm not going to polish this one. I just wanted to make sure it looked good for reassembly. I also cleaned the windshield with soap and water, and it looks much better than it did. Kind of has that haze off of it. And so now it's time to put this car back together. And there's the body. It's all done. I think the yellow looks a lot better on it than the green did. So let's put this back together. So we've got the body. Oops. We've got the body, the glass, the interior, and the base. And there it is, a Ford Cortina. If you have any suggestions on what I could do differently or anything you'd like to see in the future, go ahead and leave a comment below. I'd like to thank you for watching this series of videos. If you enjoyed the video that you just watched, go ahead and click like and subscribe. If you have any questions or would like to contact me directly, send me an email at thegarageusa@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching. Ride.